Namaste Gurukulians. I hope you might be fit and fine at your home and utilizing your time in your study and watching the video lectures. So students, in our previous video we have discussed about the relation between the simple interest and the compound interest. How we can find the compound interest just by using the simple interest. So now, today we are going to learn a direct formula to find the compound interest. So there are three cases, mainly three cases here we have to discuss in this lecture. So these are the formula to find the amount. Here we can't find the compound interest directly. First of all, we have to find the amount here. Amount, that means this is the sum of the principal and the compound interest. So first of all, how we can find the amount? First case, when the interest is compounded annually. That means when the interest is calculated after each 1 year and that is added to the principal, then in this case we can use the formula to find the amount. Note down, that is amount. Formula to find the amount, that is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power time. That is n means n, that is the time into years. So this is the formula. And second case when the interest compounded after half year or half yearly, then what we have to do? We have to convert the time which is given in years into half years, and because rate percent that is given rate percent per annum, so we have to convert rate also into per half year. So what we have to do? Then we have to multiply the time by 2 and divide the rate by 2. So what is the formula? We can use directly. So then formula is principal into 1 plus rate upon 200, because we are dividing the rate by 2. That's why it becomes 200. And 2n, that means we are multiplying the time by 2, because there are 2 half years in 1 year. And third case, which is when the interest is compounded quarterly. What is the meaning of the quarter here? This is the 1/4 of the year, or we can say 3 months. So then what we have to do in this case, because there are 4 quarters in 1 year, so that's why first of all we have to multiply the time which is given in years by 4. That's why it is 4n here, and divide the rate by 4, because it is also given in per annum, that means per year. So we can use this formula, principal into 1 plus rate upon 400 raised to the power 4n. 4n means n here, p that is principal, r that is the rate percent per annum, and time this is in years, that is n. So we can use this formula to find the amount, but we have to calculate sometime compound interest. So how we can find the compound interest? So simply, as we know, amount, this is the sum of principal and compound interest. So just subtract the principal from the amount to find the compound interest. For example, now I am taking first example. This is the calculate the compound interest on 28,000 rupees at 12% per annum, compounded annually. Observe this thing carefully, that is very important. So compounded annually for 3 years. That means which formula we can use here? We can use this formula here, because this is the case of when it is compounded annually. So first of all, write the things here which are given. First given thing, that is the 28,000 rupees. We have to calculate the principal on this amount. So what we can say about it? This is the principal. then principal here, this is 28,000, and next given thing, that is the rate percent. Rate, this is 12% per annum, and next given thing, that is the time. It is 3 years. Now, because interest is compounded annually, so there is no need to change anything. So we can direct use the formula to find the amount. Now, first of all, write down the formula, that is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n, where n is the time in years, that is 3 years. So now just putting the values. What is the principal? That is 28,000 into, here this is 1, plus what is the rate? This is 12, and this is 100 raised to the power time, which is 3 years. So now just simplify this one. So this is write 28,000 directly. Now here into that means multiply. Now simplify this one. So even we can write here 1 upon 1. So then apply the cross multiplication, then it becomes 100 plus 12 upon 100 raised to the power 3. Now this is 28,000 multiplied by, then it becomes 100 plus 12, this is 112 upon 100 raised to the power 3. So how we can write this one? Because its power is 3, so we can write it 3 times. So then it becomes 28,000 multiplied by 112 upon 100 multiplied by 112 upon 100 multiplied by 112 upon 100. Now we can cancel the zeros, these 2 zeros here and this 1 0 here. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the 28 by 112, then 112, then 112. So what is its answer? It is, when we multiply these things, that is 39,337,984, and divide by, what is this? This is the 100 and this is 10, so this is 1000. Now observe it carefully. What is this? This is the 1000, that means there are 3 zeros. That means we have to put the decimal point, just counting the 3 digits from the last or from the back side. So what we can say, this is 7.984. Now because third digit, that is 4, so what we can say, its approximate answer, that is 39,337 rupees and 98 paise. So this is the amount, but we have to find here compound interest. So how we can find the compound interest? That is amount minus principal. That means we have to subtract 28,000 from 39,337 rupees and 98 paise. So then it becomes then subtracted, this is 28,000 this is 8 here, this is 9, this is 7, 3, 3, 1, and here also 1. So what is this? This is the 11,337 rupees and 98 paise. Okay students, now this is the second example here. Calculate the compound interest on 48,000 rupees for 1 year at 8% per annum when compounded half yearly. Now observe this condition carefully, because we have to use the formula according to the condition. Now it is compounded half yearly. So what we have to do? We have to use this formula here, this condition. Then we can use this formula. Now because time is given in years, that means we have to multiply the time by 2, because there are 2 half years in 1 year, and rate percent, that is in per annum, so we have to divide the rate by 2. So first of all write the given things, because we have to calculate the interest on this amount 48,000. So this is the principal here. It is 48,000. Now what is next thing? That is the time, that is n. It is 1 year, and rate percent, this is 8% per annum. Now because it is compounded half yearly, so then we can use this formula. So write down the formula to find the amount. This is principal into 1 plus rate upon 200 raised to the power 2n. So how we can write? Putting the values. So this is, what is the principal? This is 48,000 into 1 plus what is the rate? This is 8 divided by 200 raised to the power 2, and that means 2 multiplied by n, that is 2 multiplied by 1. So now we can, because 8 and 200 both are divisible, so this is 4 and this is 100 here. Now just simplify this one. It is so then this is right here 48,000 into, we can write here even 1 upon 1, this is 100 plus 4 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Then it becomes 48,000 multiplied by, then it is 104 upon 100 raised to the power 2, because it's power 2, so we can write it 2 times. So it becomes 48,000 multiplied by 104 upon 100 multiplied by 104 upon 100. Now observe it. What is this? These are the 2 zeros, so we can cancel these 2 zeros by these 2 zeros and 1 zero from here. So now what we have to do in next step? That is 48, this is 104, this is 104. That means we have to multiply all these 3. So when we multiply these things, then we will get, that is 51 then it is divided by, observe here only 10, so this thing. So now because there is only one digit, 1 0 here, so we have to put the decimal point, just counting the one digit from the back side. So it becomes 5191.6.8, but we can write it 0 here. So then it becomes 51,916 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the amount, but we have to find here compound interest. So how we can find? Then compound interest, that is equal to amount minus principal. That means we have to subtract 48,000 from this amount. So then it becomes 51,916 rupees and 80 paise, then minus 48,000. So then it becomes 0 here 8 6 1 9 and this is 3. So this is 3,916 rupees and 80 paise. Okay students, now this is the third example. How much would a sum of 20,000 amount to? Then what we have to do? We have to find the amount in this case at 12% per annum in 9 months. In 9 months, if the interest is being compounded quarterly, so this is the condition here. Then compounded quarterly, that means we have to use this formula. This is principal into 1 plus rate upon 400. Why we are using 400? Because we have to divide the rate by 4, because there are 4 quarters in 1 year, and multiply the time by 4 when it is in years. But here time it is given in the form of months. So that's why first of all we have to convert this time into years. So write the given things here. First given thing, because we have to find the amount on this sum. That means this is the principal. So what is the principal in this question? That is 20,000. Clear students? So now next given thing, that is the rate percent. Rate percent, that is 12% per annum. And next given thing, this is time. This is 9 months. But because we have to use here time into years, and this is the time in years, so first of all we have to convert this time into years. How we can convert? Because there are 12 months in 1 year, so divided by 12. This is 9 upon 12, both are divisible by 3, 3 to the 9, and this is 3 folded 12, so this is 3 upon 4 years. Clear students? So now write down the formula which we have to use here. This is the amount. Then because it is compounded quarterly, it is given here, so we can use this formula. So this is here principal into 1 plus rate upon 400 raised to the power 4n. Now just putting the values of the given things. So first, what is this? This is the principal, and principal this is 20,000. Now next thing, that is 1, so we can write it 1 upon 1. Now here what is rate? Rate, this is 12% per annum, so then this is 12 upon 400 raised to the power 4, and that means 4 multiplied by time, this is 3 upon 4. Now from here 4 is cancelled and 412 both are divisible by 4, so we can divide. 4 3 are 12 and that is 100. Now just simplify this question. We can write this is 20,000 into, apply the cross multiplication here, 100 multiplied by 1, this is 100 and this is 3 divided by 100 raised to the power, that is 3. Now it becomes 20,000 into, or we can say multiply, that is 103 upon 100 raised to the power 3. Because its power is 3, so we can write it 3 times. So how we can write this question now? So this is 20,000 multiplied by 103 upon 100 multiplied by 103 upon 100 multiplied by 103 upon 100. Clear, students? Now just simplify this one. First of all, these two zeros cancel from here, these two zeros cancel from here. Now we have to multiply all these things. That means 2 multiplied by 103, then multiply by 103, then multiply by 103. So what we can get here? So we can get here, after multiplying these things, so we can get, that is 2, 1, 8, 5, 4 and 5, 4. So students, and here what is this? This is the 100. So because there are two zeros, that means we can put the decimal point here, just counting the two digits from the last. So what it becomes? Then it becomes 21,854.54. So it is 21,854 rupees and 54 paise. Because here, observe this thing carefully, amount to, that means we have to find the amount only, not compound interest in this question. So students, here in our syllabus we have only 3 things, 3 methods or 3 cases to find the compound interest, when compounded annually and compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly. So students, in this lecture I taught you one example from each: compounded annually, compounded half yearly and compounded quarterly. So remaining things you have to try to solve, and firstly you have to write these basic things and these questions in your fair notebook. And if you have still any doubt or any query related to remaining questions, then you can ask on WhatsApp. So till the time, have a nice day, stay home, be safe.